This video is for Fanatec support regarding my GT DDR Pro. I've already made 2 videos on the matter. This will be my 3rd video. I will continue to make videos until I get this issue resolved. I've been more than patient. I'm going to continue to be patient, but I really need to get this steering wheel connection issue fixed. Basically, I am continuing to have an issue where the steering wheel does not connect to the base. Today, I have unplugged the steering wheel, plugged it back in, and tightened the C-clamp back here. I've done it probably 50 to 100 times. Out of all those times, I think maybe 2 times it actually connected to my PC, which leads me to believe it's not a firmware issue, but I think it's going to be that neck collar or this, whatever this thing is. It's this QC connector down here in the bottom. I think that this is I think this thing is defective. And the reason I think that is when this collar is loose, this steering wheel does this. It can do this. And I know that people online are tightening the heck out of that D collar, and some people are replacing it with C clamps, which go on both sides. From what some people are saying, that's solving the problem. Other people, it's not. But I think the issue is it needs to be in such a perfect spot with a perfect amount of pressure for it to work, that for whatever reason it doesn't work for everybody, and it's not working for me. I do think that everything functions. I just don't think that thing is tight enough. I am debating if I want to buy the QC, what's it called? The QC2 bundle. It's $160 US where I am here. I don't feel like I should have to buy that. And I also know that if I do buy it, I'm not going to get any support from you guys, because let's face it, I'm emailing you guys and you guys don't email me back. My email was last Sunday when I got the RMA back, and I tried it out and it didn't work. I sent you that email. I sent you a follow-up email on Wednesday, and I still haven't heard back, and it's now been over a week. And we've been going back and forth for a few weeks on this. And I will also note that when I got back my steering wheel, and I mentioned this in the last video, you guys didn't package it correctly. I have my L3 broken. It's actually broken. So now, not only did the RMA just not fix my problem, but my button is also broken too, you know? And I'm debating, believe it or not, what sucks is as a customer, I'm debating, can I just live with this? I've never actually used this steering wheel. Can I live with it? And to be quite honest, I spent over $1,000 on this, never got to use it once, have this connection issue. And it sucks, but I'm having to think, like, I think I'm going to have to live with it, because I know you guys probably won't refund my money. If I buy this bundle and it doesn't fix my problem, I'm probably going to be out another $160. I don't know what to do, guys. Fanatec, I don't know what to do. All the YouTube viewers, I know I don't get a lot of views, but like, if you guys are considering purchasing a Fanatec, you know, I'm sure there's good people that work there, and I don't want to bash them too hard, but like, you got to rethink about, if you have a problem, what kind of support you're going to get. And I've gotten literally minimal support with this. I'm going to keep making these videos. I'm not going to try to just simply bash the company. I just want a solution. So Fanatec, let's figure out a solution. I think what I'll do is I'll buy this bundle, this QC bundle, which it sounds like it's going to replace all this plastic and this shaky aluminum. From what I see online, it's going to replace that with something really solid and stout. I'll report back if it actually solves my problem. But at this point, I feel like a guinea pig, just freaking giving you guys money, more and more money, and I'm not really getting anything in return. So help me, guys. I'm at my wit's end. I literally have a very expensive rig. You know, my rig it's a motion rig. You know, check that out. It's a bitchin' rig, but I can't use it because of this steering wheel. I've spent hours and hours trying to debug this thing, and I'm really trying to give you guys a chance. And oh man, you can see how frustrated I am. Anyways, I'm gonna post this video. I'm gonna send you your support another email, and on top of that, I'm gonna go ahead and buy that QC2 bundle, that heavy duty one, and see if maybe that solves the issue. If it doesn't, I don't know, guys. I'm gonna have to just either eat $1,000 plus, or I'm gonna have to look at a competitor and just go a different route. But anyways, Fanatec, let's step up. Where are you guys?